Over a course of a year, there's over 50 million tons of e-waste that's disposed of, but only 12.5% of that is actually recycled. With society transforming into the digital age, equipment becomes obsolete so quickly. Business is formed by you find a problem and you create a solution. My name's Sean Miles. I'm the CEO of Recycle Global Exchange. We go by RGX. Personally, I've always wanted to do something, and I know if I never did it, I'd live with a regret in my life. And so I grabbed the people that work close with me in the years and that I trust, and the team that we have put together has over 50 years in experience of just in the telecom tech industry. And these minds come together saying, how can we do better? And so that's where RGX came from, is making it easy for a customer to list their equipment, dispose of it properly, get it done locally. You know, the big companies find 5 or 6 big names and they work through those contracts, and then those contracts sub out to smaller guys, and then those contracts sub out to smaller guys. So what you've done is you've created a really big flow down process where there's a lot of gaps where things could go wrong or disposed of incorrectly. And so what RGX does is it brings a platform for the customer to interact with that local vendor who might not ever have a chance to work with them directly. And by doing that, that local vendor will come and pick up the equipment instead of shipping it from one spot in the US to the other. So the goal is to reduce carbon emissions, which helps the environment, have that local vendor get an opportunity to bid and utilize his certifications to handle that disposal properly, and for the customer to get a better ROI. But it's very simple. You sign up, you create an account, and if you're a customer, if you have inventory, you post it. Put what you know is true on there. And if you don't know, RGX offers a new service called Green Glove Services. And in that, we actually help the customer get that material ready for the platform. And so that encompasses everything from decommissioning the equipment, going on site to do data destruction, packing the equipment so it's on pallets for the recycler to come. The customer might not even know what they have sometimes. They're like, can you go to my warehouse and tell me what I have? So we'll go do an inventory. And we actually tap into those local resources that can come in and do that service for you so that that equipment is pure and ready for the platform. But a vendor can be broken down into a few formats: as a certified vendor, non-certified vendor, a recycler, a reseller, maybe a service vendor. What we're trying to do is put them in those categories so that when a customer puts a transaction need or a project up on the platform, it filters to those vendors' needs that they're requiring. If we go out and we validate who they are and what they're doing, we'll implement what we call that green check process. So that vendor might have a green check that they've been actually authenticated by RGX saying they're doing what they say. Why don't you take the keys and drive it? You know, we're here to help you and guide you, but get on the system and try it out. And we can schedule a demo, or you can go on the site and try it yourself. Either way, we want you to engage. We want your feedback. We want to keep making this platform better.